talk AI. I know when you hear that term, it can sound complicated and maybe a very little, intimidating. You might be picturing scenes from a sci-fi movie like Ad Astra or Interstellar. Let's reframe that. I want you to think of AI not as a complex robot, but as your new digital teammate. A smart assistant that can help you do your job better, faster, more creatively. First, we need to outline the main differences between traditional search engines and AI models like ChatGPT, Bard, Gemini, and the rest. Search engines are keyword-based. You have to put in a word and it provides you with links, while AI offers conversational, contextual answers. Some factors driving this change include, user preference for direct answers. They prefer dialogue over a list of links. The rise of natural language processing and the need for more personalized information. This transition is very slow from search engines to AI. Maybe because people are still getting accustomed to search engines, and AI has limitations like accuracy and data recency. It is important to balance the benefits of AI with the existing strength of search engines. For example, how Google is now integrating AI features like Bard and Gemini into their products and systems. This shows the ongoing evolution. These platforms are the real stars in areas like tricky problem solving, personalized learning, and creative thinking. They are great at understanding what we want, and they come up with human-like answers. Instead of competing, we should think of them as, partners. Search engines will keep collecting all the information and AI will just turn it into wisdom. This is a big change for all of us in corporate and in business, and we need to use AI's powers to make things better. But we also need to make sure it is done right. Like in the future, we'll not only be finding information quickly, but we'll also, be understanding it better. As professionals, you can begin to apply AI to your work and to your business. As your communication assistant, first, think about how much time you spend writing emails, reports, summarizing presentations. You can put AI to very good use to summarize absolutely anything, change the tone of your email, or even draft a new email using a correct prompt. AI can also be your brainstorming partner. AI is a fantastic tool for creativity and breaking through mental blocks. It never runs out of ideas. So if you run out of ideas, just ask AI for new perspectives, marketing ideas, business ideas, and it's your guy for that thing. AI can also be your data analyst. We're often buried in so much data and information, you don't even know which one to pick from. AI can help you find the signal in the noise, like finding out trends in data. You can ask AI to explain complex information in the simplest form. AI can also be used for marketing communications, for sales and business development, for HR and management, for projects and operations management, for personal productivity, amongst others. 2 golden rules of using AI. You are the expert. AI is just a tool. It can make mistakes, and also you need to review, edit, and fact-check its work. Think of its output as, a draft, not a final product. Your professional judgment is what makes it valuable, and your professional insight makes it worthy. Protect sensitive information. Never, ever, ever put client or confidential data, personal information, or company secrets into a public AI tool. Treat AI as a public forum. To learn more about AI, click on the link, share, like, follow, and we'll be discussing more AI tools and how to apply AI to our job and to our businesses as professionals. Thank you for joining me. I'm Lola again. I'm the Tech HR girl. See you in the next videos. Bye.